Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today I'm just going to talk about the pump that we had on both Bitcoin and Ethereum and just all the major pairs out there. Guys, so after the crash we got a pump, and the pump has actually got us above from where we crashed, right? We crashed from basically in this area here, and now we're kind of above it, right? Also taking a look at the daily here. So let me just close that, hide it all. So what you can see on the daily is that was basically this green candle is kind of like a bullish. This is what we call a bullish engulfing candle. The green candle engulfed the complete red candle here. And right now what you get, we get some kind of indecision candle, and we'll have to see if we go up or down from here. I think in the very short term we'll still see one wave up, and then perhaps we'll go down a little bit further, right? That depends though on how bullish this move is going to be, right? So right now I'm still in my long position, as you guys know that follow my stream over on dlive.tv/Pygoz. But if you're not there over there yet, guys, definitely follow me there. I go live there nearly every day to talk about the charts, and often we start with the charts with like 2-3 hours of charts, and then move over to some games, right? So yeah guys, it's pretty interesting, right? What we can see here, basically we have this cross going on here on the hourly on Bitcoin. Obviously the 21 EMA is above the 200 here. The 55 also wants to crawl above that 200. We are making higher lows, so it's looking pretty good on Bitcoin. Okay, so now let me put all my tools back on, obviously. So what I did here is take a Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low here, right? This is obviously swing low, and then what we are aiming for is around that 0.5 to 618 level. As you guys know, that is a huge resistance point, right? The 382 is always a stop in between. That's what we can see right now. We have that stop in between. But the way I count it right now is that this is a little one wave, two, this is your three. We still, three only just finished. Then we're gonna get the four, and then we're gonna get the five into that 0.5 to 618 area here. That looks pretty good to me. So that's why I made it a red area here on Bitcoin. Okay. So guys, it's just a quick update, but that's kind of what I see on Bitcoin. Now to go over Ethereum here, we see something very similar. Let's first hide everything again. Let's take a look at the daily here. So what you can see here is also a bullish engulfing candle. We get an indecision candle, very similar to what Bitcoin did, just higher percentage play, right? So let me just unhide all this, and you kind of see the same thing, right? I took my swing high to my swing low, and we see the 0.5 to 618 area. Then I look at some price action, and I kind of see this little bit of price action as a strong resistance point, and we'll have to see how it acts here when it does get up here. Okay, if it acts kind of silly and not that great, then I'll definitely sell, right? But we first need to get up there to finish that fifth wave up, so I can only count 4 waves here. Now, could I be wrong that this is an ABC? Yeah. So if I'm wrong, guys, the way I see if I'm wrong is if we get a lower low, right? Right now we still get higher lows. Obviously, you guys can see that here. Here's your low, your first low, your second low. So if we keep getting higher lows, then I'll stay in the trade, right? That's just how I see it. I'll wait on that hourly close to see if we get a lower low or not. The 21 EMA is definitely some good support here. I wouldn't just put your stop right under it, because as you can see, it can get that little wick because of if Bitcoin drops only a little bit, Ethereum likes to drop a lot. When Bitcoin goes up a little bit, Ethereum likes to go up a lot, right? So it's just a kind of like a beta factor, right? Where Ethereum moves a lot more than Bitcoin, just like the usual, guys. So this is the way I see it. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 up into that area. After that, we'll have to see. I'm not immediately going to close, but that could be a good reason for me to close. Okay, so we'll have to see what happens there, because on the bigger picture, what this could be is that this whole ABC down here is an A move, then we'll get some kind of B move, right? So you get some kind of B move, which should be an ABC, but nonetheless, then this is your A move. You're gonna get your B somewhere, and then you're gonna get your C for that bigger B move, and after that, you know, we should still see a C down to into this demand. You know, this whole area that we had mapped out before. Let me just map it out again, right? They basically did this whole area, right? I kind of thought we would go there before, but we didn't. So hey, but yeah, we could still go there, guys. So, but for now, I'm bullish. So that is just the way I see it. But you need to be prepared to have your next trade set up, right? So this is kind of what I'm looking at. So when it comes up here, it depends. If it looks very ugly, I'll close my long and I'll open a short for the potential down wave. So that is what I'm doing, guys. Just a quick update on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. So obviously, guys, if you're not on DLive yet, you know, make your way over there. Let's see what's going on here as well. I also shared my calculations of position Google spreadsheet. It's basically just a heavily edited spreadsheet from someone else. So then let's see. So yeah, this is Ripple, right? At least from looking at it, yeah, it's Ripple. So I'm in position on Ripple for a while now, guys, on Binance. It hasn't really moved anything, but I do expect a major move out of this triangle. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens there as well, right? And see how Ripple goes along, trucks along there. But we could expect a major move there. So that's good to see here. That you're also looking at that, Penman. So yeah, guys, join up with that. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs and STOs, but at the moment, just don't expect any of them, because, well, the simple fact is we are still bearish, right? And that means bearish returns. There's one exception to the rule, and that is if we get another ICO on Binance itself, like Fetch was. That was the last one there. You know, it sold out in 22 seconds, but it did make people 5 times gains in one day. So if we do see one, you know, we'll definitely try to get in. You could put a maximum of $3,000 in that one, so it would have gained you, you know, up to 15,000, which is great, right? But obviously, we didn't go into that. I did try, but you know, 22 seconds is obviously sold out very, very, very fast. So you need to be very lucky to get in there. But anyways, guys, that's that. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on DLive, which is dlive.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.